Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll walk you through blurring sensitive info in your videos using Canva. Learn how to blur specific areas in your video using simple editing tools. To start creating a video in Canva, click Create, then select Videos from the menu. This opens the video editor where you can begin designing your project. Select the videos you want to use. For this tutorial, I'll use a YouTube video as an example. Next, go to the Templates tab. Here, you can browse and choose any template that fits your project needs. For example, I'll select this template to demonstrate how easily you can apply different styles to your video. Next, let's blur specific areas in the video. To do this, we'll need to add a blur effect to the timeline and adjust its position over the desired section. In the Elements tab, type floor in the search bar. You only need to enter the word. Next, under the Graphics section, click See All to display the full list of available floor graphics. This will show you all the relevant graphics options to choose from for your project. To blur a specific part of the video, first select the segment you want to edit. Click Edit to access the adjustment options. Choose Blur from the available effects. Now, drag the blur area over the desired spot. Adjust the strength to make that section darker or more obscured, depending on your preference and needs. To blur only one side of your video, start by selecting the blur effect from the effect library. Drag and drop the blur effect onto the specific part of the video you want to blur, in this case, the side. Once applied, play the video to preview how the blur looks in action. To blur an image or video in Canva, select your photo or video, click on Edit Image, choose the blur effect, then adjust the blur intensity slider until you achieve your desired result. You just learned how to blur out parts of your video in Canva. Like and subscribe for more quick editing tips.